Voyager is a revolutionary AI-powered software that helps engineers visualize, analyze, collaborate, and develop products faster and more efficiently than ever before. Voyager is powered by Atlas, an AI co-pilot that makes the world's engineering knowledge immediately accessible to you. It's kind of like working with a seasoned manufacturing expert right at your side. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Atlas and Voyager to solve a wide variety of engineering challenges. I'm Andreas Bastian, co-founder and head of product here at Limafield. Voyager is an advanced toolkit for analyzing scan data, whether that scan data comes from a visible light scanner, a LiDAR scanner, or a CT scanner. Throughout this video, we'll be using Atlas, our AI co-pilot that functions as your expert engineering teammate. Atlas can interact with your project data, help you use features inside Voyager, and deliver engineering and manufacturing insights to help you deliver outstanding products. In addition to working with CT data from Neptune, Voyager can accept any data from any 3D scanning technology. LiDAR scans, photogrammetry scans, white light scans, all of these can produce surface meshes that can be uploaded into Voyager. Let's take a look at how to create a new project in Voyager and to populate it with data. So first, I'll navigate to the dashboard, select my workspace, and click New Project. I'm going to call this Cleat Comparison. I'll create the project and then I'll open it. So navigate to Import, select Import, and import first the new cleat. So now that's uploading, and now I'm going to upload my second mesh. As the meshes become available, you can click Update, and that will load them into the project. So now you can see we have these two meshes of soccer cleats that were scanned before and after wear. We're now going to compare these two meshes so that we can understand the wear on this cleat. Most software that runs these types of analyses can only be run locally on a desktop PC. Voyager is incredibly powerful because it can be run on any device anywhere in the world, just in a web browser. Voyager can perform two different types of comparative analysis. First, you can compare a scan to its nominal CAD data to understand differences between design intent and manufactured outcome. Second, you can actually compare scans to other scans. This can be really useful for understanding how a product changes over time with use or with wear. You can watch our CT 101 video about CAD comparison to learn more about that workflow. Again, I'll tell Alice what I'm trying to do with these two scans. So you can see now that we have two scans uploaded into Voyager. In order to compare them, I need to first align them. So I'm going to click Alignment and select the reference mesh and our new cleat. Now I'm going to align these two. So first thing I'm going to do is rotate to get these coarsely aligned. And once they're coarsely aligned, I'll then run auto alignment to refine the alignment and get these nice and closely aligned. I'll run auto alignment to refine the alignment. Now that our meshes are carefully aligned, we can go ahead and run a comparison. I'll select the alignments and then submit. Click Update to load the comparison. Now you can see that our scan is color-coded based on the deviations between the two meshes. If we look in the upper right, you can see the distribution of deviations. If I pull these two handles in, I can isolate the distribution, removing the outliers so that we can get a better picture of the differences between these two meshes. So you can immediately see that we've lost material here, and the shape of the footbed, the shape of the bottom of the cleat has changed. We can also see, looking at the top, that the shape around the toe box has also changed. It has moved outwards here and moved inwards here. We can now see that our scan is color-coded based on the displacements between the two scans. Anywhere where the second scan is larger is represented in red, and anywhere where the second scan is smaller or where we've lost material is represented in blue. So you can see here on this cleat spike, we've seen a lot of wear on that surface, and so it shows up as blue. This type of scan-to-scan comparison can quantify changes to a product over time and with use, and can be used to augment CAD-to-scan comparison. Now let's take a look at how to capture 2D measurements on scans. Here I've uploaded a scan that I took of a chair. I'm going to split my viewports, turn on my slice planes. I'm going to take this left viewport and I'm going to section the mesh in 2D here. So you can see, as I move the slice plane left to right, we're moving that section through the mesh. If I wanted to better understand this part, I can now click plane to create an inspection plane, and now I can drop 2D dimensions onto this inspection plane. So first, I want to know how thick the chair is here in the bend in the middle. So this is an example of something that I couldn't reach with a pair of calipers, and I'd need a very big pair of micrometers to reach something this like this thickness measurement. So I'm going to take the line tool, I'm going to click here, and that will give me that linear distance, that thickness of the chair at that location in space. A key aspect of chair comfort is the angle between the back and the seat. And so next, I'll create an angular measurement. So I'll click the angle tool. So I'll click here and here on the back, and here on the seat to create that angular measurement between the back and the seat. So finally, I want to understand what the radius of this curvature is here. So I'll select my circle tool, and I'll click here, here, and here, and that will give me the radius of that curvature. As we've seen today, Voyager is a powerful tool for comparing scans to CAD, scans to scans, capturing 2D measurements, and sharing these analyses with colleagues around the world. It's powered by Atlas, Lumafield's AI co-pilot that works beside you through all stages of the product development process. Get started for free today at lumafield.com.